Good afternoon and welcome to my stream. I'm Surf Dude, streaming from South Africa, and today we're going to do a setup of Raspberry Pi, and I hope everyone is doing well. And my social network name, SurfDude316, is both on Twitch, where I stream some coding and some games, and also on YouTube, making some educational videos. So let's get started with what we're going to do today. And in the background I have got Epidemic Music, a paid music service that you can use freely on various social platforms, and they've got some very cool music on that service. So here is our Raspberry Pi screen, and what we are going to do is we are going to, now that we've saved everything, we're going to do a reboot. And a reboot could take some time, because this is what Raspberry key in time. We will see now how things will work. You can see the Raspberry that we have is quite an old version, so instead of upgrading it, we are going to download the new version and reflash the card drive. This version is quite an old version, and I've saved the documents and things that I need to have. What we are going to do, instead of an in-place upgrade, we are going to use the reboot system, and we are going to press shift during the reboot so that we get into the emergency repair system. There you can see the loops have started because I pressed the shift. And you can see that there are various options of Raspberry OS that we can use. So we're going to use the top one, and press the I for install. there we go. Press yes. And this is going to take a while. So we will be returning back occasionally to check on the progress. And I thank everyone for supporting my Surf2 channel on Twitch and on YouTube. I really appreciate all the support. You can see that the Raspberry Pi comes with Scratch for coding, comes with Sonic Pi for music, and it has other things that are pretty cool. Various Python and Java programming languages are included. And the Raspberry Pi website has a lot of resources and downloads to make the Raspberry Pi a whole lot of fun. The Raspberry Pi also has a programmable Minecraft environment, and it has a mathematics program to help various levels of school and university with mathematics. This Raspberry Pi is quite an old one, and its SD card also isn't the very fastest. And here we have the Raspberry Pi starting up. And this Raspberry Pi is taking its time to start up for sure. But there we go. And let's check our country is correct. Our country options might be a bit different. And we are typing in our super secret password over here. And we do have a black border around our screen, so we are going to select that option, and we are going to skip Wi-Fi settings because we have a wired network, and we are going to click next to do the updates. The updates are going to take some time on this Raspberry. And I have a Twitch and YouTube channel, and both of them are Surf316Dude. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done already, and kindly leave a like if you've enjoyed the video. I'm going to check the amount of likes that I do have, and using that I will see what kind of videos you as the viewer want more of. So wherever you are in the world, have an awesome day or night. Keep well, keep happy, keep smiling.